Hey viewers, today we will talk about the basic geometry and we discuss about the two topics, angle on a straight line and angle on a point. This is a straight line, AOB is a straight line, so all question we do around the straight line is equal to 180. The sum of a straight line is equal to 180. Here are 4C plus 80 plus C equal to 180. Now we add the common terms. 4C plus C equal to 5C plus 80 equal to 180. Now 5C equal to 180, which will be added on the one side of the equation. It will be subtracted, opposite action or operation we will do on the other side. So 180 minus 80, it will be 5C equal to 100 and C is equal to 100 divided by 5 equal to 20 degree is our answer. And in the same way, AOB is another straight line. It may be like this, it may be like this, maybe this is like any way, but a straight line should be seen on one side and nothing on the other side. If I draw one line here, it means this is not a straight line, because this line also show angle in the rotation, so it is a straight line. Now B plus 42 plus 73 equal to what? 180. So B is plus 115 equal to 180. B is equal to 180 minus 115 and this is equal to 65 degree. And the next question is our about if there are given not a angle B 42 73, but here are 4D plus 16, 2D plus 14, but they also the angles. So we add up the both type of angle, any type of angle they are given. 4D plus 16 plus 2D plus 14 equal to 180. A, B and this one is C. 4D plus 2D 6D plus 16 plus 14 equal to 30 equal to 180. 6D equal to 180 minus 30 equal to 150. So 6D is equal to 150, and in this way D is equal to 150 divided by 6 equal to 25 degree angle is our answer. And our second topic is angle on a point. This is a straight line and this is a point where it comes through it, and the angle on a straight line is always a rotation, one rotation. So one rotation is equal to 360 degree. So angle on a point, whatever their shape is, they will be equal to 360. Angle on a straight line, they will be equal to 180. Now we add up all the angle and put them equal to 360. There are 4C plus 16C plus again 4C plus there will be nothing written but a small box is made. This small box show you this is the angle of 90. No need to write here the 90, because when there is angle like this, it will be always 90. So we never show to write here 90. No need to write here 90. So in this way we do the question equal to 360. And 16c, 4c and 4c, we add up the same and like terms, and they will be 24c plus 90 equal to 360. Now it will be positive on the one side of the equation and it will be negative on the other side of equation. 24c is 360 minus 90 and 24c is equal to 270 and c is equal to 270 divided by 24 and we get here 11.25 of degree angle. And the next question is, look like there are one unknown and three angles are given, but all angles are different. And one more thing, if they show you like this and this, all this, and right here the different angles, it means this is wrong. All angle, because their values are different, so we show them in different way because they show the different values. Now we add up them and put them equal to 360. A naught plus 67 plus 52 plus 135 equal to 360. When we add up these three terms, we get A naught plus 134 equal to 360 and A naught is equal to 360 minus 134 is equal to 226. So our value of A is 226. Thank you.